Welcome back, students. In this video, we will discuss this theorem. What is the statement? N and N dash, there are two nonlinear spaces and D be a subspace of domain. Okay, note this point कि D is a subspace of domain. Show that a linear transformation T that is defined on this subset or subspace of N. इसको we will say closed if and only if its graph is closed. When we will say graph is closed, the definition of closed graph. Already I told you the definition is that G of T linear transformation graph of T is said to be closed if x comma T of x such that x belongs to B, where T is a linear transformations from B to B. This is a subset of domain and codomain. This is the definition of. Okay, now this definition we will use here. See, there is if and only if statement. That means there are two proof, forward proof and backward proof. Firstly, we will do backward proof. Backward proof may let GT is closed. Graph of T is closed. तो this imply इसके closed होने का क्या मतलब है? xn comma t of xn. I am writing the t of xn is equal to t of x, and don't confuse with these two representations. Okay, both are same. It will converge to some x comma y in gt. ये इस पे कन्वर्ज करेगा x comma y पे, किसके अंदर? g t के अंदर. ओके, नाउ आई नीड टू शो कि टू शो व्हाट t is closed. t को closed शो करने के लिए व्हाट आई नीड टू शो, दैट इज xn belongs to d and xn converge to x and t of xn converge to y. All this imply कि x belongs to d and t of x is equal to y. This thing I need to show. Okay, so now from here, name it as 1. Directly I can say 1 imply that x comma y is adherent point of gt. If it is adherent point of gt, तो इसके जो लिमिट पॉइंट का जो क्लोजर का जो सेट होगा उसमें ये चीज जाएगी. ओके, तो x comma y belongs to gt closure. Since gt is closed, if it is closed, so it will be equal to gt because it is closed. It is given in statement. Okay, so what this imply? This imply x comma y belongs to gt. Now tell me one thing. X comma y is belonging to gt, and this is in the beginning of this proof. I told you that this will be a subset of what? Direct product of the set on which T is defined. The domain into codomain. Done. Now this imply कि first point x is belonging in D and y is belonging in n dash. Okay, y किस में belong कर रहा है? n dash में belong कर रहा है, और x यहाँ पे है. और by definition of this closed set, xn और उसकी image आती है ना, by definition. तो this is the image of what? This y is the image of what? T of x, which is belonging in n dash. Now from here, see what this imply. This imply कि t of x is equal to y. How I conclude this? I have taken help from this definition. देखो, it is x here. Image of this x is the next point. So this y will be the image of this x. So this imply T is closed linear transformation. Okay, done. Now it's backward proof. Sorry, forward proof. Forward proof में let T is closed. We will show GT is closed. Okay. Close show करने के लिए we will show कि this will contain all its limit point. Okay. Let xn comma t of xn be any sequence of GT converging to x comma y. Okay, now I will show that this xy is belonging in GT. I am not talking about whether this xy will belong in GT or not, but now I will show that it will belong. But this implies by definition xn minus x plus t of xn minus y. It will move to 0 as n comma m goes to infinity by definition of Cauchy sequence. Okay, this imply कि दोनों का सम 0 को जा रहा है, तो xn minus x less than equality से I can open this xn minus y. It will move to 0 as n comma m goes to infinity. Now sum of two non-negative terms is going towards 0. What this imply? This imply that both will go towards 0. And t of xn minus y will go towards 0. Done. Now name it as 1. Okay. So why this will go towards 0? Because sum of two non-negative term is moving towards 0, so both of them have to be 0. Done. Now, since T is closed linear transformation, what this imply? This imply कि x belongs to D and T of x is equal to y, है ना? तो from here what can I say? I can say कि x comma y, this x comma y is equal to x as it is. In place of y I can write image of x, क्योंकि ऐसे ही तो देखो in the same way definition of GT is defined ना, तो I need to convert this y in terms of image of x under T. So I converted, if this x comma y is equal to this, then this will belong to GT. Okay, so what this imply? This imply GT contain all its limit points. This imply GT is closed. Done.